Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to find out if it is possible to make bots play against each other on chess.com using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. So now just go ahead and log in your accounts. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create an account by clicking the sign up button. So once you've logged in your account, what I need you to do is to click on here at the versus computer, and then you need to make sure that you choose a bot. Okay, so you need to remember what bot you want. So I'm just gonna choose Coach May. So I'm just gonna click on choose. And then here at the first part, you need to select white. Okay. So in this tutorial, it is possible, okay, but you need to do it manually. So what I mean by manually is that you need to open another Google account or tab. So I'm just gonna use incognito. So search or open dchess.com and then choose versus computer again. So now you want to choose again Coach Me. So you need to make sure that you choose same but, okay? So here, as you can see on the first account, we have Coach May and we have the friendly mode. So we need to make sure that we copy that here on this second account. But in this second account, we need to make sure that we play as block. Okay, so Coach May and the mode is friendly. So now just go ahead and click on play. Okay, so now when you click on play, just go ahead and copy the move of the bot on the second account here at the first. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.